On April 28th and 29th, I reached out to 9 different police departments: Atascadero, King City, Santa Barbara, Watsonville, Grover Beach, Salinas, Lompoc, Gonzales, and Hollister. I had the date, location, and approximate time for 13 different incidents that I was involved in. I would call the department, give the date and location, and they would supply me with an incident number.
I believe that the incident number is 2109-2446.
Once I had the incident number, I would email the records department with the request for records regarding that incident. Out of those 9 different departments, only 3 provided the records that I requested. Those departments are Grover Beach, Santa Barbara, and Watsonville. Why is it that some departments can deny the request while others seem obligated to release them? I still don't know. I almost don't want to make this video out of fear that the good departments will start changing their policies and denying requests once they find out. Every department that denied me used the same reason: Government Code 6254F. This code does not require the disclosure of any complaints to or investigations conducted by any state or local police agency. So what the departments are doing is labeling all of their body-worn camera footage as investigations conducted by a police agency, no matter what has been recorded. They're even labeling 911 audio associated with the case as investigations conducted by a police agency. Supposedly, these records are obtainable with a subpoena deuces, but that requires more money and there are risks involved that I'm not going to go over right now.
And
So
you're aware that you need to subpoena that?
no, it's public. It's a public record.
Right, but in order to get anything that's video, it requires a subpoena to get the record.
Atascadero didn't even respond and then put a fraudulent date of receipt on the paperwork when I went in person to ask about them. This date right here, 5/2/22, is just out of nowhere. I actually emailed the records request on the 29th of April. They just put that date there down because they didn't want to be in violation of Government Code 6253Z.
Okay.
King City didn't respond either and sent me to 2 other locations when I went in person to ask about it. E. Martinez, I emailed you a records request, and I just wanted to make sure you guys got it, and I never got a...
Okay. When did you email it?
On the 29th? Were you planning on responding to the email, or...
I forwarded this email to my supervisor.
Okay. Because no one responded, so I was just wondering...
Yeah. You need to call this number and ask for records. For the footage in body cam, you need to go through City Hall and speak to the executive assistant there for the PRA request. Here you go.
The police department just told me to come here for a public records request.
Oh, yes. Let me get you the part.
And then after all that, they denied my request. Salinas refused to even provide me with an email address for their records department.
Yeah, we've never given our email to the public.
Okay. Lompoc doesn't have body-worn camera, but they did respond quickly.
And I'm gonna document it. I can give you an event number and all that stuff if you like. But in order to do that, I gotta talk to them, talk to you.
Sure. Do you think?
Like you heard me, what I told them.
Right.
It's a public sidewalk. You have the perfect legal right to be out here.
Right. Gonzales denied my request after making me wait 20 days. And Hollister stated that they don't have the technology or the staff to do redactions on the body-worn camera, so they're not going to release it at all. It was a pretty big fail for my experiment with the California Public Records Request System, or process. But those are my findings. I'm still working on some. I haven't given up. I'm going to try to see what I can do, but there's going to be some videos regarding these records coming in the future.